we back. Welcome to the NAMM 2026. I'm here at Fender Studio with Hasib. How you doing, man?
Doing great, man. Feeling good. Happy to be here.
Feeling good, man. So let's jump right into it, man. Like a lot of people, we bounce between DAWs, producers, but Fender Studio. Like, tell me some of the highlights, some of the key features we can look for in Fender Studio.
Yeah, absolutely. So Fender Studio Pro out now. It's the latest evolution of Studio One Pro. So for all the Studio One fans and loyalists who have been there for a minute, this is the next iteration. This is the next evolution of the DAW that we all know and love in Studio One. It's now Fender Studio Pro. What that means is there's a whole ecosystem of new products that are powered by Fender and PreSonus combined into one thing. So that's what kind of supercharges the entire thing. And at the center of that, of course, is the DAW. We have new Fender Mustang native guitar plugins, bass plugins. There's amps and effects built directly into the DAW. We're the only DAW that comes with these amps and effects built right in. Also, we've updated samplers, so Impact and Sample 1 are now updated. We have audio to MIDI conversion, which is super dope. You can take any audio track and just drag it to an instrument track, and it'll write MIDI for you just like that. So there's a lot of secret sauce in this that's really exciting, and there's a lot of creative juice.
Yeah, man. I mean, if you're on the internet, I mean, y'all are buzzing right now, man. Everybody's talking about Fender Studio. I know you gotta go. Some more stuff is going on, but so tell me. I mean, it says Fender Studio for those that want to know, because one of the things is, it's Fender, so it must be for guitars. But is that a myth? Can it be for anybody? I play keys. Can it be for a non-musician? Like, is this accessible and easy for anybody that wants to do any DAW, or is it catered to just guitars?
No, this is for absolutely any type of music maker out there. Of course, if you're a guitarist, you'll have a lot of fun with the amps and effects and stuff like that.
Comes with all the plugins, right?
I rap and make beats.
Yeah.
And so, I use Fender Studio Pro to make beats and, record vocals.
Right.
So, again, this is the next evolution of Studio One Pro, where regardless of what genre of music you're making, there's creative tools in here for everybody. For guitarists, beat makers, producers, keyboard players, all the above.
So y'all heard it right here at the NAMM. This is official. So I appreciate it, man. I'm waiting to jump into it, man. I know, like, this is to me like one of the most versatile programs. Like, it's almost like it has everything in one DAW. So I'm looking forward to jumping into Fender Studio, man. So thanks for your time, man. Enjoy the rest of your NAMM.
Appreciate it, man. Thank you.
Thank you.